T20D is the 6th generation of 5-axis linkage, lightweight dry milling machine produced by Zotion. It is mainly used for CAD or CAM processing of dental materials, such as zirconia, wax, PEEK, PMMA, etc. The equipment has stable performance, large processing angle, and the tool magazine can accommodate up to 12 tools. The equipment's internal monitoring system comes with a camera that can be connected to online software for real-time remote monitoring, with automatic alignment, automatic detection and needle compensation functions, easy to operate, bringing you the ideal solution for dental material processing.